Everyone, Deep here. In this video we are going to learn about the basics of Python. So let's start the video. So to use Python you need an IDE. I have IDE 3.10.2, so you can have 3.11 or 12 as well. So go to file and click new file. So today we are going to create a simple Python program which adds two numbers. So first we have to take two variables. So I'm taking num1 equals, let's say, 10, num2 equals 20, and num3 equals num1 plus num2, and print bracket, let's say, num3, and press Ctrl S, and let's save this as addition. Choose the location as desktop, or you can choose any location. Save and go to run, press run module, and you can see the output as 30. So this is a example. So let's take another example in this file. So I'm going to take the user input now. So num1 equals int, the data type is integer, bracket open, input. This takes the input from the user, double quotes, enter the first number, colon, two brackets open, two brackets were open, so two brackets close, num2 equals, again, int, input, bracket, quotation, enter the second number, colon, two brackets open, so two brackets close, num3 equals num1 plus num2, enter. Now print bracket, double quotes, the sum of two numbers is equals, comma, num3. We will print num3 where num1 plus num2 is stored. Press F5 from the keyboard, shortcut key to run. So it's telling me to enter the first number. So let's say 55 and 65. So the result is 120. So this is how you can add two numbers in Python. Number one is user defined, and number two is by taking input from the user. Thanks for watching this Python tutorial, the first video. See you all next time in another video. Till then, goodbye and take care.